delete operation over a binary search tree, you need to identify the whether the deleted node is a leaf node or the deleted node having a single child or one child, one children, or the deleted node having two children. If you want explanation, then you can watch the previous video. Okay, right? How you are going to check whether it is a leaf node or not? Its left link is null and its right link is null. I can say that it is a leaf node. When one of the link is either left link or right link is null, then I can say it is a having one children. When both links are having some address, I can say that that corresponding node having two children. Now we'll see the implementation logic. So binary search tree deletion. So before going to delete, what you need to do? You need to ask the user to enter the value of the node which he want to delete. So I am going to read some value from the user which he want to delete. So for example, I want to delete the value 1. I want to delete the value 1. So what we need to do? We need to first check whether value 1 exists or not. Whether value 1 exists or not. Without existing a particular node, how can we delete? We can't delete, right? So first we need to traverse up to that particular value 1. If it matches, we need to delete that node. If it not matches any one of the node, we can say that data not. That's it. So first we need to traverse that. So for that, what you write simply, it is like a search condition. While I need to make loop, right? I am going to take some pointer current equal to root. While current tends to data is not equal to value. Ante I mean if I am present at this particular location, if that particular location value is not equal to user entered value, then I need to make a traverse to the left side or right side. This process continuously repeats. So 1 user entered. Is 1 not equal to 10, right? Yes, 1 not equal to 10. So meaning that this is not the node that I want to search. So I need to go for either left side or right side. That depends upon the value, right? So if I want to go to the left side or right side, I need to check once again. If I will write this. If v less than current tends to data, through which side I need to go? When the searching value is less than the corresponding lower node value, then I need to go for right left side. So I need to make current equal to current tends to left. Otherwise, current equal to current tends to right. Right? So I will go for like this. Check. 10 not equal to 1? Yes. So we will go for loop. 1 less than 10? Yes. Current value is modified to 200. Now executing. Is 200 tends to data. 200 tends to data is this is 200. 200 tends to data is 5. Is 5 not equal to 1? Yes, right? So it is going to go for this one. 1 less than 5? Yes. Current equal to current tends left. What is current equal to current tends left link? 400. Right? Now 400 tends to data is not equal to V. No. Condition fail. When condition fail, the meaning is this is the node that I want to delete. This is the node that I want to delete. So when this condition fail, it comes out of the block. When it comes out of the block, what you need to do? I mean, I have found out the exact location of the deleted node. Now what you need to check? You need to check any one of these 3 conditions. Any one of these 3. Now first I will check whether this particular node is leaf node or having one child or having two children. I need to identify. So how we are going to point out to this one? Is there any address pointed by this one? Yes, you know already. the address 400 is pointed by the current. 400 is pointed by the current, right? So okay, fine. So how we are going to delete this one? How we are going to check whether it is having single children or not? Yes. If this corresponding node left link is null and this corresponding node right link is null, then I can say it is children. It is a leaf node. So I can directly simply write if current tends to left link is equal to null and current tends to right link is equal to null, I can say that this is the leaf node. This is the leaf node. Then I can simply write free of current. Is it correct? No. Before going to delete this one, before going to delete this one, what you need to do is you need to make null in its corresponding parent location. Here you need to make null. If you make null here, then obviously it is deleted. How we are going to make null here? So you need to move to this corresponding location and you need to make a modification. So is there any pointer which will be pointed to this one? No. So for that, what you need to do is every time while traversing, you need to make one temporary pointer, that is parent pointer, parent equal to current. Parent equal current. So check once. Check once again I am saying. So I want to delete the node 1. Current value is 100. Now current is 100 tends to data. 100 tends data is 10, not equal to 1. Yes. Parent value is copied 100. Current is copied to this particular 100. Is 1 less than 10. Yes. Current equal current is. What is current tends to left link? 200. Now once again look. What is current tends to data? 200 tends to data is 5. 5 not equal to 1. Yes. Then parent value is copied to current value 200. Now 1 is less than 5. Yes. Current equal current tends left. What is current tends left link? 400. Now 400 tends data 1. 1 not equal to 1. Condition fail. When condition fail is going to execute this condition. Is current tends data. What is 400 tends to left link? Null, and 400 tends to right link is null. Meaning that this is the corresponding node. I want to delete. Okay, fine. So before going to delete this one, I need to make here null. So this particular pointer is now pointed by some pointer, that is parent pointer 200, right? So now okay, fine. If I make null here, it is okay. But for system, how it is understood? Whether I need to make null here or null here? Again you need to check for that. So you need to check if current tends to data is less than parent tends to data. If current tends to data is less than parent tends data, meaning that if 1 less than parent tends data is 5. If 1 less than 5, where I need to modify parent left side point, I need to make as null. So I will write parent tends to left link equal to null. Otherwise, if the deleted value is greater than the parent node value, meaning that node, the deleted node is pointed to the right side. So I need to make null to the parent tends to right link equal to null. Parent tends to right link equal to null. So for our condition, parent tends to left link equal to null. So it will make null here. It will make null here. So now the structure will look like this. After making this one, what you need to do? You need to delete this one. So you can simply write free of current. You can simply write free of current, then it will be deleted. Okay now. So up to here we have written the logic for whatever the user entered data, if exists, and that particular node is a leaf node, I am going to delete. Now next we will see, meaning that if it is not the leaf node, this condition for leaf node, if it is not the leaf node, so if it is not the leaf node, obviously it can have either single children or two children. First I am going to check for single children. That single children can exist either on left side or right side again. Left side or right side. So first we will write one logic. So first I will check for left side. If current tends to left link is equal to null. If current tends to left link equal to null. What is the meaning of this one? For example, one second we'll see. We don't have everything. For example, current address is 100. Current address is 100. I want to delete node 9. I want to delete a node 9, right? So if I want to make delete this node 9, I will traverse up to here and I will check whether it is null or not. Right? So obviously it is not null. Why? Because current as left link is not null, not current, and current as right link is not equal to null. So obviously I can say that it may have single children or two children. So first we will go for checking the condition whether this one is having a children which is exists to the left side or which exists to the right side. So I will write here simple modification current tends to right link. If current tends to right link is null, meaning that if current tends to, I want to delete the node 9, if this corresponding node 9 next link is null, meaning that it is having a single children which is exists to the left side of this node 9, when it is exists to the left side of this 9, after deleting the corresponding node, for which location I need to make modification? I need to make it should be appended to this particular cell. Meaning that I need to write the address here. Already you know, if this is a deleted node, this will act as a current node. And this parent node will act, this node parent will act as parent node. Simply meaning that if the corresponding right link is null, obviously its left children, it is having left side children, that can be either one. For that children it can have any number of children. So now if I want to connect this node to this one, where what I need to write? I need to write this address 700 and write address this 700. This 700 address is located at which location? This corresponding node left side, right? So then I can simply write, just check here. If corresponding node right link is null, meaning that it is having left side children. So this left side children address is located at this particular location, where I need to make modify this parent. So I need to make modify to the parent right link, actually. But how can you know whether this is a parent right link or whether this is a parent left link? Again, you need to check the condition by deleting this one. So you need to write here, if corresponding value is less than parent tends to data. If, okay, fine, this is not the case, our case, right? If corresponding value 9 is greater than parent tends to data, then it's going to execute this case. So where I need to make modify parent tends to right link equal to what address I need to modify? I need to modify this address. So that's the reason I am going to parent tends right link to what value? 700. 700 is located at this particular location. So parent tends right link equal to current tends to left link. Or if you want more understandability, I want to search for a value. Okay, instead of this. Okay, fine. Let us assume that there is a 400 with a value 3, like 1100 null. Here assume that it is having 1 with null like this. Suppose for example, I want to delete this node. So deleting of this node means it is a current. And with respect to this one, this is a parent. Now you have to identify whether this node is deleted or not. Whether this node is deleted or not. So here we have to write parent tends to left link equal to current tends to left link. Current left link. Just so with this one, 9 less than 5, no. So it is going to be parent tends right link is 500. This particular case is replaced with current tends to left link. What is current tends to left link? 700. 700 replaced. Yes. So it will be connected like this. It will be connected. So this link is broken. This link is broken, but this link is not broken. So then what you need to do? You need to make this corresponding left link as also null. This corresponding left link as null. How can we make this corresponding left link as null? Current tends to left link equal to null, and then you need to make free of deleted this one. I deleted this one. Okay. See, it will be, you are thinking that it will be a very huge code, but it is very simple when you understood. Okay, fine. What I am saying is, this is, for example, I have code like this. 16 null with the address 1600. This address is 1600. I mean, this is a node which is having right chain. So this is null here. This is null here. I want to delete the node 14. Delete the node 14, right? So I will come to this particular location. This is the current node, and this is the parent node. Let us take 19 null some address 1900. No, don't worry, you can understood. I want to delete the node 16, value with the 16, right? So I am present at this particular location. This is current node and this is parent node. Parent node. Is current as left link null and current as right link null? No, condition fail. No comes here. Current as right link is null? No. Then I need to check for current as left link. Else current tends to left link is not null or not. I mean, here I have checked the condition for whether it is having left child or not. Left child or not. This is the condition for whether it is having right child or not. So current tends to left link. Now, what I am going to do? Yes, this is having left. There are no left child. There are no left child. When there are no left child, obviously it is having a right child. When it is having right child, I need to make delete and I need to make this address. This address. Wait for some time. I need to make this address. Should be copied to this particular location. Should be copied to this particular location, right? So if I want to copy this to this particular location, where I need to make copy, whether left side or right side, that you need to do. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to check for with respect to parent node. So that is the reason we are writing v less than parent tends to data. If v less than corresponding value, parent tends if 19 less than parent tends to data, no, it is not the case. Then what is the meaning of this one? My 19 is located at the right side. So I am going to write parent tends to right link equal to current tends to what data I need to modify? Right link. Why? Because obviously current as left link is null. So I need to make corresponding right link. Otherwise, parent tends to left link equal to current tends to right link equal to right link equal. Then after making copy here, 1900 copy here, so it will be connected like this. This link is already active. So I need to make here null. So current tends to right link equal to null. So here I need to make null. When I make null, I need to make free of current. Free of current. Okay. Now we'll see if the deleted node is having two children or not. After write that, write else condition, meaning that this case is for to check whether it is a leaf node or not. If it is a leaf node, I need to make its appropriate connections. I need to make delete. This condition is for check whether right node exists or not. If right node is not exist, then it's going to execute this condition. This code is for whether left side node exists or not. If left side node is not exist, it's going to execute this condition. Okay. If it is not a leaf node, if it is not having single right side, if it is not having single left side, then obviously it comes here. That is, it is having two children. Check once. I will say some small logic. 10, 5, 6, 7, 1, 14, 13, 16. Okay. For example, I want to delete a node. I want to delete a node which is a root node. Or I want to delete a node so for example, this is 12 and this is 13. I want to delete the node 14. If I want to delete the node 14, obviously you know this is having two children, and if you want to delete this node, what you have to do? In the previous videos I have defined. Either you have to take the maximum value from the left side, or you have to take the minimum value from the right side. Meaning the maximum value means in order predecessor from the left side, or in order successor from the right side. I have already defined. So we will write the logic for to find out the maximum value from the left side. So for example, first initially I am pointing to the current location. This current contains address, root address, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to, so if I want to go to the left side, so for example I am at this particular location. If I want to move to the left side, so this is a corresponding current pointer, right? So I need to make left side. So I will take some temporary pointer k equal to current tends to left leg. So I have moved to the left side. When I move to the left side, once I move to the left side, what I need to do? I need to find out the maximum value. Just think logically. In the left subtree, right, maximum value will be placed at the right side location. Take out this one. Value placed at the right side location. So for example, let us take out this subtree. Maximum value placed at the right side. For example, let us take this is 3, this is 5. Even though I am having the value 6, my right side left side maximum value placed at the right side location. So what I am saying is you need to traverse the left subtree in such a way that you have to move to the right side continuously unless your right link value is null. Coming to this node, this is 7, right? Left link is some address, but right link is null. So you are going to traverse the left subtree until you encounter the right link as null. Then I can say that is a corresponding by maximum node. So for that, I have come to the left link. I have reached to the left side. So in this one, I need to traverse to the completely right side. when I want to completely traverse the right side, you don't know exactly how many number of nodes are there. So we need to traverse. So while k tends to right link not equal to null, I am going to make k equal to k tends to right link. When k equal to k tends to right link. So for example, I am presently at this particular location. K tends to right link is not null, so I will move to this particular location. K tends to right link is not null, so I will move to this particular location. Now k tends to right link is null. When k tends to right link is null, I can say that this is the corresponding maximum. This is the corresponding maximum, right? So when this is the corresponding maximum, what do we need to do simply? We need to take out this value. When we take out this value, I need to replace this value with the value 7. Replace with the value 7. So simply what I can do, I can simply replace the value 7. So how we are going to replace? So this particular node, can I have? Yes. Right? So current tends to data equal to, see, my board is very simple. Current tends to data equal, what will I need to place? K value. K tends to data. K tends to data. And then you need to delete this one. You need to delete this one. If I want to delete this one, again I need to check whether it is having, whether it is a leaf node or whether it is having a single children. That's it. You don't need to check two children. Why? Because if it is having two children, then obviously it is the obviously it will have only, it may be a leaf node or it may be a left child. When it is having a left child, what you need to do? You need to make this as a right child to the parent one. So with respect to this one, this is the corresponding current node, then this is the corresponding parent node. So is there any where you have maintained the parent node? No. So for that, every time we need to write parent equal to, okay. Now we have maintained the parent value. So in this particular case, what you need to do? You need to make changes. That is, parent tends to, compulsory I need to take right link. Parent tends to right link equal to k tends to left link. When I write this corresponding node address will be copied to this particular location, so that it will be connected. Then simply we can free up this one. That is free of simply free of k. Okay. Simply if you didn't understand, I will once again explain. This is specific. This is the corresponding. Then 5, 7, 6, 4, 5, 11. For example, I want to delete this node, root node. Then what I am going to do? I am going to traverse completely to the root node. For example, check once. 1 minute. Now see once. For example, I am having here 13. I am having here 15. Now, first I want to delete a single cell. So it is going to execute from here. The value here is 15. Now current value is some root value. Now current tens data is D. 10 double equal 15 or not. Condition failed. When condition fails, parent value is this address. So it will make a move up to corresponding here. Then identify that my corresponding current node is 15. Then it is going to come to here. Is left link is null and right link is null. Yes, obviously left link null and right link null. When left link null and right link null, that corresponding node data 15 is less than is less than, what is its parent 30? 15 less than 30, condition failed, meaning that this should be is 15 less than 13, yes, condition. So it is going to execute parent is right link equal to null, meaning that this corresponding right link it is going to place null. When it is going to place null, it will be link will be broken. Then it is going to simply make free of error. So it will be deleted. Okay. Then this is the logic for to delete the to check whether it is having a right child or not. This is the logic for to check whether it is having left child or not. And this is the logic for whether it is having two children or not. Okay. Here we have did for all the possible cases, but if the data is not matched, then like for example I have given value 17. So for that this code won't work. Then what you need to do is you need to check that condition somewhere, right? Where you are going to write that logic here itself, right? If like we are going to check for whether it is not matched. If it is not matched, it will iterate continuously. But up to where it is going to iterate? When, like for example, I am searching for a value 17. So compulsory it will move to the right side. This right link is null. When null tends to data, is obviously always you will get the fail condition. So here itself you need to write minus the condition. If current equal to null, simply you need to make printf value not found, and then you need to write break condition. And once it will execute the break condition, it will come out of the block. But here it will execute 1 second. Just check. It will execute 1 second. But I don't want to execute this entire condition. So for that, I am simply taking some k value or some j value as 1. Initially I am defining some int j equal to 0. When j value is 1 means value not found. When j value is 0 means value found, and we are going to execute. So for that condition, what you need to do is before going to this if condition, we are going to check if j double equal to 0, then only we need to execute this if condition. Then only we need to execute this if condition completely. I think you understood. When j value is 1, value not found, and I don't want to execute all the remaining block, and I want to execute from this block also. So for that I have written break. And that is the reason I am writing when j value is 0, then only I need to execute this entire statement. That's it. Okay. So whenever you want to delete a value in a binary search tree, you have to check for first condition, value is there or not. If value is there, then obviously it is going to execute this block. If value is not there, then it is going to execute this block. For the condition only I have defined current equal to null. And so for example, if value is there, I need to check whether it is a leaf node or not. So for that I have written this condition. And if it is not a leaf node, I need to check for whether it is having a right child or not. This is the code for there is no right child. And after that I am going to check whether it is having left child or not. So for that I have written this condition. And then if all these cases are fails, means obviously it is having two children. Then this is the case for it is having two children. Okay. So this is the implementation code for binary search relation. Okay. Obviously it will be somewhat clumsy and it may be difficult for you. Just listen the video twice or thrice. Obviously you can understand. Okay. Thank you.